Hey everyone! In this video, we're exploring how to use Surveysparrow. So Surveysparrow is one of the top survey platforms for gathering customer feedback in 2024. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through setting up a survey, customizing it, distributing it, and analyzing the results. So let's get started. So first, what is Surveysparrow? So Surveysparrow is a cloud-based survey platform that offers conversational surveys, making feedback collection more engaging and interactive. It's perfect for businesses looking to gather insights from customers or employees. So some standout features include survey customization, multi-channel distribution, and robust analytics, all of which we'll touch on in this tutorial. So now let's sign up for an account, or if you already have an account, simply log into your account. So now I'm just going to log in. Now, when you log in or signed up for an account, you will see a page that looks like this. So for this, just click on X, and from here, a Survey Sparrow will ask us what surveys do you plan to create the most. So from here, I'm just going to select others. And Survey Sparrow will now ask us to build our first survey. So now let's just click on X. So now this is what the dashboard will look like. So you'll see a bunch of different options right here and sections in the top, such as the surveys, templates, insights, tickets, contacts, and reputation. You can also see settings right here in the top right and your profile. And now let's jump right into creating a survey. So once you're logged in, simply click on Create New Survey. It's right here. And choose from a list of survey types like chat surveys, classic surveys, and NPS. As you can see right here, there are a bunch of different surveys. So we'll just go with classic survey. Now let's select Start Blank. Now let's add a survey title. Now I'm just going to name it as Test and click on Create Survey. Now you will see this blank page. So now let's just simply add a question. So as you can see, there are a bunch of different options right here, such as the frequently used, the opinion scale, multiple choice, rating, text, email, contact form, phone number. So I think most of these surveys has contact form in their first page. So let's just select contact form right here in the top. And as you can see, this is how it would look like. So this is the contact form template of Survey Sparrow, which make it easier for you to create a contact form as they already have this kind of template. So right here, we can write here contact form. And now when people will open this survey, they will see the contact form section and simply fill up all of this information. And of course, we can always add new pages or questions. So click on add a question. And from here, let's select opinion scale. So as you can see, they also has this template right here. So let's say, how satisfied are you with the service? So let's say the question is something like that. And of course, people can simply select right here from 0 to 1 on how satisfied they are with the service. You can also change it right here. You can change the steps to 1 to 12, 1 to 10. You can also change the left label as, let's just say, least, neutral, and most. Of course, the default is least likely, neutral, and most likely. But of course, you can always change this to whatever you want. Next is add new question. As you can see right here, there are a bunch of different templates and sections right here that you can use. So it still depends on how you want to use your survey. You can simply choose from here. So let's say you want to select the text. Of course, you can just add a question right here. So what is your name? And of course, people can answer by clicking on the text input. So as you can see, let's click on view. So you can see this is how people can see this question in your survey. So now when we're all done with here, you can also see designs right here in the left-hand side. So first is you're going to build your survey. Second is design. So you can design your surveys right here by changing the colors. Let's say the colors you want it to be red for the buttons. As you can see, the next button is now turned to red. And also change the background color. Of course, white is best right here. And also change the color of the answers. You can see you're there. And also change the button style, the font, the text alignment, and so on. Also, you can select themes right here to change the theme of your survey. Next is global variables. So from here, you can add a custom variable. Next is languages. So you can add new languages right here. So of course, English is set by default. Next is config. So this is your survey URL test. So you just need to copy this and add test after. You can set quotas, throttling, security, navigation, configuration. So you can do that all right here in the settings. Next is notifications. So this is how the email or thank you email will look like if you turn this on. You can also turn this send notification when a response is completed on. And of course, you can always print your survey. Right here, you can check this, all of this, click on download PDF, and you can print your survey. So now, when we're done right here, let's click on integrate. And as you can see, there are integrations right here. There are a bunch of different apps that you can integrate with Surveysparrow. You can simply look it up right here. So let's say you want to connect your Google Sheets. Of course, just click here. Next is let's go to workflows. We can add new workflows right here. We can also add webhooks and APIs. Now, when we're all done with this, we can simply click here on share. And this is the URL. Just copy the URL, and this is how it would look like. So let's open this URL in a new tab. And now, as you can see, I'm now interacting with the survey. As you can see, we can also create new shares such as URL, send email, send it via social media, or QR code. Now let's go to results. As you can see, responses yet to clock in because there's still no responses yet. So let's try and fill up this information. So let's answer this. Let's say 8. Now this is your name. I'm just going to answer this. Submit. And now let's go back. So from here, you can simply hit refresh. And as you can see, we will see the number of responses. We can also see insights right here. We will see that only one has visited our survey, only one has started, and this one person has the average time to complete is 38 seconds, and only one person has completed it. So we can also see what device they used, computer, the language they used, English, the share type is through the link. And of course, we'll see all of this analytics in here, these charts. So now that we're done, we can also download the report right here. And we can also share the report right here in the top right. Also see this reports right here in the top left section and read responses right here. So the reports will look something like this. You can also download this or share this. So this is how we can use Surveysparrow. So in just a few minutes, we've covered how to create, distribute, and analyze surveys using Surveysparrow. So this platform makes it super easy to collect and act on feedback. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.